In this video, I will show you how to move Google Drive file to OneDrive account in your Windows PC. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can easily move your file from Google Drive to your OneDrive account and have access to it directly on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here, open up your Windows 3 right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to OneDrive account. And then this is going to open up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go to this setting icon right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and navigate to settings, just like so. And the next thing you want to do right here is simply scroll down. And then you want to make sure you look for import cloud photos and files. Go ahead and click on manage import right here. And it's going to redirect and open into an environment right here, just like so. Then the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on connect to Google Drive. Go ahead and click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select your Google account. Down right here and hit on continue. Just like so. Now it has been successfully import right here. Estimated storage after import is this, which simply means that this is the kind of amount of storage that is going to be consumed. Go ahead and simply hit on import now. Once you click on import now, all the files from your Google Drive will be successfully imported to your OneDrive account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.